In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siteground for WordPress, making it as easy as possible to get your website up and running smoothly. Siteground is a popular web hosting platform with tools that are particularly user-friendly for WordPress users. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple tutorial. To begin with, you'll need to head over to the Siteground website. Just open up your browser and type in the URL to visit the Siteground homepage. This is the starting point for all your hosting needs. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which you can find usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you can enter your Siteground account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your Siteground account dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of tools and options available to you. The next step is to navigate to your websites page. You can do this by looking for the websites tab, usually in the main navigation menu of your account dashboard. Clicking on this will display all the websites associated with your account. On the websites page you will see a list of the sites you have hosted with Siteground. Find the site you wish to manage and then proceed by clicking on the Site Tools button next to that website. Within Site Tools you'll find everything you need to manage your site effectively, from installing applications to configuring settings. Once you are in Site Tools, you'll want to focus on setting up and managing WordPress. For this, look for the WordPress option in the Site Tools menu. It's usually listed under the Site section. Clicking on WordPress will give you access to installation and management features specifically designed for WordPress sites. You now want to choose the Install and Manage WordPress option. This is where you can install a fresh version of WordPress if you're just starting out, or manage an existing WordPress installation. If you're installing WordPress for the first time, simply follow the prompts and Siteground makes the process straightforward with its auto installer. After installation, getting into the detailed management of your WordPress site is a breeze. Under the WordPress section, you can tweak your settings, manage plugins, themes, and even enable security features. Siteground offers an intuitive interface that helps simplify these tasks, which can make a world of difference if you're new to WordPress. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've navigated through Siteground and have the tools to install and manage WordPress effectively. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident in using Siteground for your WordPress needs. Thank you for watching and good luck with your website.